Frank is wearing a shirt
From Aldi.
shirt from Aldi and a jeans from Kuan, guys. Paris. Aldi Paris. Kauwi lang namin, guys. Kaya wait kasi. Good morning. Lago butas ang buko. Good morning. May paano tayo dito? May pa breakfast in bed tayo. Tapos si Francine yung kumakain. Kakagising. Kanina kami gising, guys. Pero ngayon lang ako bumangon. Junior. Good morning, Junior. Good morning, Junior. Uy, no. Ginawan ako ng breakfast ni Frank, guys. Siya yung kumakain dyan. Cheese. Brown bread at saka cheese. I love cheese talaga. Uy, nganahan ko yung cheese na yung isang milkina ba. Kape. Gising na lahat kasi 9 AM na. Pero ito talaga pinakamaaga gumising. Oh, yan yung naggising sa amin lahat dito, guys. Siya yung nagising sa amin dito. Uy, kayo. Nagkapi-kapi ko nung siya. Siya yung kumakain ng aking kuan ang ginawa ni Frank. Hinayaan ko lang kasi isang bread yan. Tapos in half ni Frank. Pinakain ko sa kanya yung half. Saturday ngayon. Walang kindergarten. Say hi! Say hi! 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 Good morning! Say good morning! Good morning! Si Patters. So, sayo-sayo. Sayo-sayo. Tidig-tidig. Dance. Tidig-tidig. Here, show here. Tidig-tidig. Show how you dance. Show them. Apo. Yeah, tidig-tidig. Yeah, tidig-tidig. Kiki. Are you like that? Tat. What's your name? Tell them what's your name. My name? Yummy. Is that yummy? Yeah. It's so hard. Get a wipes ka. You're a dino now? You're a dino?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uy, don't show lagi your mouth. Uy, when you're eating. No. Go get a wipes. Oh, tanawa lagi. So, kape-kape muna tayo, guys. You want to be a princess today?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, magbibihis muna kami. Simula ng aming day. Say hi. Lahi. Iba yung ano ba? Quality sa gawas, guys, sa labas. Oh? Come back here. Come here. Autumn na dito, guys. Gipictura na ako sila sa yung tray ba, guys, na kulay-kulay. Ayan, oh.
Autumn tray.
Francine, no, there. Ayan ba, guys, oh. Ang dami. Pero iba yung kulay. Wait, adjust nga natin yung kulay. Hi, guys. Transfer ako sa mobile kasi hindi ko sure yung sa camera. Parang ang settings, hindi ang tunay na kulay. What are you doing? Hi. Nagpicture kami dyan, guys, ba, sa mga autumn trees, autumn leaves, ay yung mga leaves ba. Ang butlag, ang tarong ba. Andito kami sa harap ng aming bahay. Ito ang bahay, guys, oh. Andyan na siya, dyan lang, 3rd floor. Yung pangatlong building amin, pangatlong sa taas. Nag-renovate sila, yan na ang kulay ng building namin. Guys, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong resulta nitong video. Okay, paddle. I thought you know how to paddle already.
Yeah, yesterday you did it many times. And then push her, just like that.
Okay, paddle. Wow, good job. Wow.
Great job.
Dito lang kami sa labas namin, guys. Nag-ano lang.
No, you're stuck again. Okay, 1, 2, 3 feet.
Watch out, there's the one.
So you're getting the prize. Put your feet there.
What? Push. Papasok na ako sa loob, guys. Kasi ano, mag-grocery kami ni Frank. Tapos, I go up, ha? Daming sasakyan dumadaan ba? Tapos, sasaka na ako sa taas, sasaka. Akyat na ako kasi ano, mag-grocery kami ni Frank kasi Saturday ngayon, guys. Saturday ngayon. Uy, wala mo na yung key. Ella, I have no key. Key. What? You wanna go inside? Manunod, mampunin sila, eh. Guys, dito na ako sa loob. Iniwan ko lang sila doon kasi ano, palaruin ko. Update pala dito sa ating hallway. Blurred siya. Hinganga ko, eh. Barin muna natin tong paano natin. Kasi hindi pa, si Frank wala pa. There he is. He's ready. Are you ready? Ay, look at that, guys. Nilagay namin doon yung... Ayan siya, guys. Nilagay ko siya dyan. Sa entry sa living room. Enjoy the little things. Tapos, nilagay ko dyan yung home is where the story begins. Pasensya sa kusina, makalat. Yan. And tapos, hindi pa natapos yung shelf. May shelf kaming lalagay dyan. So, ito na talaga yung ano, hallway. Maliwalas na siya tignan. Ayan. And here's my outfit for today. Char lang. Joe. It's like a real kuan ba? Nakaano na tayo, nakapang malamig na talaga.
Like a real what?
Like other vlogger ba? Here's what I'm wearing today. But it's only a joke.
You can see it on the row. Completely
Yeah.
almost, yeah.
Yeah, you can like that.
Yeah.
I'm wearing Gucci shoes. Gucci shoes and a Louis Vuitton jeans.
They probably don't produce jeans. They probably don't produce.
Yeah, and a Chanel jacket with the inner jumper na ano. I would say, I was about to say Lamborghini. Ito yung ate ko. Init kay guys, it's so hot. Come on, faster. It's too hot.
Shave?
Frank is wearing a shirt.
From Aldi.
Shirt from Aldi. And a jeans from, kuan guys, Paris. Aldi Paris. Ay, ginawa ko. You should finish, then we go. Oy, there they are. Oy, nanguli na mga kugtong, oy.
Vanessa's going to go on computer now.
Oy. And here's Francis. Kukuk. Bakit may bra dyan, oy? Francis namin. Si Francis namin. Laro-laro. Ready na din siya. Ay, ang init, oy. Kasi naka-jacket ako sa loob. Titit! Titit! So guys, mag-grocery lang kami. Hindi ko magdala ng camera, guys, kasi hindi naman din pwedeng mag-vlog dun sa ano, sa mga shops. So punta lang kami ng Aldi kasi Saturday ngayon. Bili kami ng groceries for the weekend, and then yung brown bread na binibili namin kasi gustong nag-a-adjust na ako dun. Gusto ko yung kainin lagi na. We're going now. Tapos pag-uwi ko, magluluto ako. Naglabas ako frozen na chicken, whole chicken. Naglitsyon manok na naman ako kasi madami. Last ata yan na litsyon manok kasi nung nag-sale yan, bumili kami ng madami. And then, so, I'll be back later, guys. So, hi, guys! How's our... hindi ko pa talaga to na-try ba kung paano i-edit. So, putting up my hair now. Okay, another drop. Stay with Francis. Kauwi lang namin, guys. Kaya wait. Kasi Benny Nana.
Wait, Francis.
Meat.
There's no coffee.
Yeah. See, it will adjust the lighting, but you have to find first. Now, they switch on the light. So, guys, nakauwi na kami, guys. At ito yung mga napamigay natin. Quick grocery haul tayo. Meron tayong egg. Sugar. Ano naman ako? Assistant to eh. Baking paper. Meron tayong dalawang margarine or butter for the bread. Then, small cabbages. Baby cabbage. This one. I-ano ko yan siya sa chicken pa partner. And then, meron tayong mushroom sauce. We have mushroom sauce. Meron tayong pepper sauce. Masarap to, yung pepper sauce, guys. And then, meron tayong bacon. Kumuha ako ng 3 bacon. Meron tayong salad. Broccoli. Meron tayong, masarap to siya, guys. Milk bread. Milk brötchen. Original from France. Gustong-gusto ko to siya. Pare sa kape. And then, meron tayong toast. And meron tayong coconut milk. Coconut milk. And mushroom na nasa cans. M&M's chocolate, guys. While watching TV ba. And then, meron tayong apple. Meron tayong pork steak.
For the rest of this month, there won't be any TV, huh?
There will be no what?
No TV.
No TV. Mozzarella, guys. Ginagawa to ni Frank with tomato pa. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong garlic. Meron tayong tomato. What is this, baby? In
Sausage.
English.
I don't know, just Weisswurst.
Yeah, no?
Is that orange? What's that here?
I
What's
don't
that in
know.
there?
It's masarap to siya. Sausage nila dito, guys. Ayan.
Weißwurst. Der wird gekocht oder kannst du braten?
See, you hear Frank? Dinig niyo si Frank, guys. Another, guys, mozzarella. Ano na to? Parang, is this good for 1 week? No, na?
Yeah.
Is this good for 1 week already? Our shopping. Except sa milk. Kasi ang milk, guys, lagi everyday nag-shop si Frank. Then, meron tayong for this time, I think 1 week na to. Good for 1 week. Pero except sa fruits, sa vegetables, at saka sa milk. Kasi lagi kami bumibili. And then, since we are big family, cheese para sa sandwich. Meron tayong bakit may watery din? Sauce, I know. Creamer. At nakita ko to sa Aldi, guys. Mangga. It's apple mango in Philippines. Then, dalawa na siya for 1 euro something ata. Green pa siya. Gahi pa siya also masarap yan. Onions. Meron tayong Bayo na chocolate drink. So, you get fat. And then, fries. Sibap chichi. Masarap to. This is yummy. Yeah. Sibap chichi. And then, American hot dog. Meron tayong pumpkin. Spaghetti, white cheese sauce na spaghetti na hindi, ang hirap hanapin ngayon sa Aldi, even in the other shops, guys. So, binili na namin last 3. So, that's not part actually of the weekly, And then, mga para sa laundry, Lenor na fabric conditioner, another mushroom and cans. Umiiyak si Francine. Yeah. Pang tanggal ng mancha. That's pumpkin be?
Me.
Oh, you're gonna put this in the kuan ka? Bathroom ka? Nivea na soap? Oh, put that in the bathroom ka with Ella. Then, for bath, nila guys. And then, let's go. Ito yung pang ano guys, pang sinasalo ko sa pag nag-washing ako. Kasi pang anti-hygiene siya. Ano ba daw? 90% daw ko no, blah blah. So, ayan. Para sa mga clothes na guys ba. And then, meron tayong soap. And this, new to siya sa TM siguro. Ngayon ko lang nakita, Nivea Baby. And since I'm a Nivea user, for shampoo and bath na for baby. So, itatry ko to. And then, a wiper for the TV. Ayan. And then, ayan. 5 liters of milk, just enough for the weekend na yan, guys. And then, we bought a meat. Nang nabayad namin is sa, ano na siya, 2.5 kilos. Ang nabayaran namin is, magkano ba? 15 euros 43. 15 euros 43 for 2 kilos. Nakamura ba ako niyan?
Okay.
Do we made it cheaper? 15 euros?
No, 15 euros something. It's always like that.
Yeah? So, ayan guys. Yun na natapamili namin yan. Ayan. Yan na yung aming weekly na budget. Kasi minsan na ako sumasama ni Frank para mag-grocery. Ngayon sumama ako para alam yung kukunin. So, yan na yung ang aming weekly na mga budget dito sa bahay. So, we paid all in all 60 euros on that. Magkano ba yan sa Philippine money? Lagay ko dito. So, except sa milk, yung mga vegetable, kasi hindi mo po yan pwedeng ma-weekly. And sa mga fruits, hindi mo din pwede ma-weekly. Yung mga ganon, si Frank na yung bumibili nyo bit by bit, yung mga kulang dito sa bahay. So, yan na yun ang aming weekly budget. So, that's it guys. So, I think that's all for our video today guys. Ano ko na siya, i-end ko ng video guys kasi hindi ko alam kung mahaba siya, para konti lang at para hindi masyadong mahaba yung video natin at hindi tayo mahirapan na mag-edit. So, that's all for our video today guys. Thank you all for watching and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye bye and have a good day everybody and God bless us all.